Welcome to Woodlands Maths videos. I just want to quickly skim through 2017 paper 2 question 6. It's 5 sin x minus 4 is 2 cos 2x. And just be aware, in the question, it's referring to radians. So we'll come into that in a wee while. Now, your big clue here is you've got a cos 2x here. So you're going to change it into 1 minus 2 sin squared x. That comes from your formula sheet. Please check your formula sheet so you don't put the wrong formula down. And the clue for that one out of the 3 options you've got is the other side of your equation. You've got a sin x there. That's why we're choosing the sin squared from the formula sheet. So I've plugged that in. I've taken cos 2x out. I've plugged in my 1 minus 2 sin squared. I've multiplied it out. And then I've brought it all over to the left-hand side. Now, the reason I put it that side is, notice it gets rid of the negative in front of that minus 4. So that makes it a wee bit easier. I sometimes just pop it into a normal trinomial to allow me to factorise it, which I've done there. But then I'm going to make sure I pop it back into the trig format. That's still equaling 0. Okay? If I solve them, I'm getting sin x is 3/4 and sin x is equal to minus 2. Now, remember, a normal sin graph goes 1 and minus 1. So for normal sin, does it ever reach minus 2? Well, that's down here somewhere, isn't it? So that's not going to happen. So we've got no solution here. But we're going to have 2 answers for sin x equals 3/4. Remember, radians. So what I've done further down here is I've got ready for my 2 answers using my cast diagram. And just as a wee reference point, x goes in the first corner. So there's my all sin tan cos. It's normally 180 minus, 180 plus, and 360 minus. I've just popped it into radians. Put your calculator in radians, please. So put your calculator in radians to solve that. Now, if you sin minus 1, 3/4 in radians, you should get 0.85. So 0.85 will go in that corner. My second corner is pi minus 0.85, and that's giving me x is also equal to 2 point. Oh, what's that? It's going to be pi minus 0.85. Can you just pop that into your calculator, please? I'm getting round about 2.3 for that. Okay? So there's your 2 answers, 0.85 and 2.3. Hope that helps. And before you move on to the next question, remember, put your calculator out of radians again. Okay, good luck. All done.